So hey there, welcome back to another video. And in this video, we'll be talking about how is medical coding used in practical world. So medical coding is useful in various situations, and it specifically has a financial aspect. Medical coding helps insurance companies to understand how to pay medical claims, and it is also useful in the billing process. In addition to its financial applications, it is also a huge part of studies and research pertaining to diseases and treatments. The medical coding data helps analyze the pattern of diseases in society, which helps governments understand the things out. So the medical coding helps data helps analyze the pattern of diseases in society, which helps governments understand how to come up with programs that combat these diseases. Ninth one is what is the difference between ICD and CPT coding. The International Classification of Diseases, established by WHO, World Health Organizations, is a globally recognized coding system used for describing and diagnosing different medical conditions. On the other hand, the current procedural terminology is a coding system used specifically for reporting medical procedures and services such as surgeries, diagnosis, laboratory reports, and radiology reports. Tenth one is what is a J code in medical billing. The J code in medical billing is a part of the ACPCS code set, which denotes medications and medications administered not non-orally and for it's like chemotherapy drugs. The J code is generally a part of the ACPS level 2 codes. 11th one is what is the meaning of epistaxis. The loss of blood from tissues lining the nose is termed as apex taxis. 12th one is what is ICD-10 CM. ICD-10, which stands for the International Classification of Diseases. Version 10 is the 10th version of the original ICD provided by the World Health Organization. These codes are the common and comprehensive convention for reporting and monitoring diseases. 13th one is what are the common billing errors in medical coding and how do you prevent them. One of the common billing errors is not including an adequate amount of information required by the insurance companies for processing a claim. Yet another error in terms of medical coding that is commonly seen is entering the wrong cost or codes. Therefore, it is extremely crucial to review the codes and the documents before sending them. 14th one is what are the methods for organizing bill payments. Different offices make use of a variety of methods to organize bill payments, such as digital bill paying portals and paper systems. Therefore, medical coders should be proficient in handling both types of bill payment organizing systems. Frequently asked questions. So the first one is how should I prepare for medical coding interview? Medical coders are generally hired by healthcare organizations such as hospitals and clinics for managing patients' information and billings. Therefore, as an inspiring medical coder, you should be familiar with the most commonly used coding systems such as ICD, CPT, DSM, and ACPCS to be able to carry out your job well. Most technical questions of a medical coding interview are related to these coding systems. Furthermore, if you are experienced medical coder, you should go through your resume and ensure that you can answer all the questions related to the experience, job role, and responsibilities at your previous company level well as well. Hiring managers also ask you several medical coding interviews questions so that cover the behavioral aspect questions such as why you want to join our company, how you handle work stress, and how you maintain work-life balance are a part of the HR round of interviews. Make sure that you are confident while answering these questions and offer clarity in responses when doing so. Second one is are coding interviews bad? When medical coding interviews are can be moderately difficult with some technical questions that demand in-depth answers. The difficulty level of an interview is highly subjective. If you are confident about your basics and have a strong hold on the technical aspects of medical coding, the interview can be fairly easy for you to crack. A third one is why are you choosing a medical coding career? Since medical coders need to be well versed with medical terminologies to be able to carry out their role in involving entering, verifying, the updating, billing information. They need to have a certain level of interest in the medical field. It is their interest and love for the medical field and their keenness to be a part of the medical industry that drives them to do so. This is why hiring managers may ask these questions. Answering this question by providing a personal reason as to why you want to be a medical coder can help you create a good impression. The next one is what are the types of medical coding? The main types of medical coding are ACPCS and its three levels. ICD-9 and ICD-10 and CPT medical coders have varying amounts of experience and knowledge in the three coding system based on which one is predominantly used in the healthcare organization. So here are some of the conclusive findings. Hope this video was able to give you a fair idea about how you can tackle some of the commonly asked coding interviews questions and answers if you are looking to enhance your software development skills. we would highly recommend you check out Simple Learns, a postgraduate program in full stack web development and automation testing masters.